Why do 95% of tigers have unique stripe patterns? It's like their fingerprint. And get this, lions are the only big cats that live in groups called prides, while cheetahs are the fastest land animals, hitting speeds up to 70 miles per hour. But here's a shocker. Jaguars have the strongest bite force of all big cats, even more than lions and tigers. Leopards are incredibly strong and can carry prey twice their weight up a tree. Big cats are full of surprises, aren't they? Keep loving and protecting these amazing creatures.